We hope the last video on the mystical world of Pythagoras, the philosopher who found harmony in numbers, has amazed you. As promised, in this documentary, we will take you through the historical background of major philosophers of all time. More importantly, we will reflect on what we, as a community, remember from each philosopher and what we have learned from them that guides us in the present. Heraclitus, the philosopher of change and fire. Explore the life and philosophy of Heraclitus, the enigmatic thinker known for his doctrine of constant change and the unity of opposites. Dive into his profound insights, eccentric behavior, and the legacy he left behind. Discover how Heraclitus' ideas continue to influence modern thought. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Channel 7 for more captivating philosophical documentaries. In ancient Ephesus, along the banks of the ever-changing river, lived a philosopher whose ideas would challenge the very nature of existence. This is the story of Heraclitus, the philosopher of change and fire. Born around 535 BCE, Heraclitus of Ephesus was not your typical philosopher. From a young age, he observed the world around him with a critical eye, believing that the essence of life was in its constant flux. Heraclitus is best known for his doctrine of perpetual change. He famously stated, "No man ever steps in the same river twice," emphasizing that everything is in a state of constant flow. For Heraclitus, fire was the fundamental element, symbolizing transformation in the dynamic nature of reality. Heraclitus was also known for his confrontational and sometimes ridiculous behavior. He had little patience for the masses, whom he referred to as sleepwalkers, and he often clashed with the religious authorities of his time. Legend has it that he once refused to cleanse a temple's altar with water, instead insisting on using fire. In his later years, Heraclitus withdrew from society, choosing to live in the mountains. There, he continued his contemplations in solitude, further developing his philosophy of the unity of opposites. He believed that life's dualities, such as light and dark, life and death, were interconnected and essential to the harmony of the universe. Towards the end of his life, Heraclitus developed a serious illness. In a rather unexpected turn, he sought to cure himself by covering his body in cow manure, believing it would draw out the illness. Unfortunately, this eccentric remedy failed, and Heraclitus passed away around 475 BCE. What can we, the modern world, learn from Heraclitus? His philosophy teaches us to embrace change, recognize the interconnectedness of opposites, and understand that conflict and harmony are two sides of the same coin. Heraclitus reminds us that in the ever-changing flow of life, wisdom lies in accepting and understanding the nature of transformation. Heraclitus of Ephesus, the philosopher who saw the world through the lens of fire and change, continues to inspire us to see beyond the surface and embrace the dynamic nature of reality. Let his story ignite a fire of curiosity and understanding within us. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed our video, please subscribe to our channel, Channel 7, like, share, and leave us a comment. Bye-bye.